Today, every modern home has a hot water heater, and we all enjoy having the convenience of hot water at our fingertips. In the old days, people had to lug out large metal tubs and boil individual pots of hot water to enjoy hot baths. In today's standard-style water heater, 30 to 80 gallons of water is heated to temperatures between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The majority of US homes have conventional tank-type water heaters, which is an insulated storage tank that stores hot water until it's needed. The way it works is that cold water enters the bottom of the tank and is heated by either a gas flame below the tank or electric elements suspended inside the tank. An adjustable thermostat regulates and maintains the water temperature. Heated water is pumped out to the top of the tank and through the home's hot water supply pipes. As the water level drops in the tank, it's automatically refilled with cold water and the whole process starts over again. In hard water areas like Nebraska, sediment naturally builds up on the bottom of your hot water tank. When hard water is heated, solid deposits of calcium carbonate can form and build up scale. This buildup can shorten the life of your appliance, raise heating costs, lower efficiency, and clog pipes. You could wake up one day to discover your hot water heater has simply stopped working. On the side or top of your water heater tank is a TNP relief valve for temperature and pressure relief, and at the bottom of the tank is a drain valve. The vast majority of the time, these valves are only used during testing or an occasional draining. Both valves usually last for the life of the water heater, and there are really only two problems with them: a valve that sticks open or closed, or a valve that leaks by constantly dripping. It is important to have a qualified professional handle any issues with TNP relief valve or the drain valve. If you hear crackling or popping noises from your water heater, or it looks like your unit is leaking or sweating, it's time to hire a licensed plumber to have the water heater inspected. A quality water heater usually lasts around 10 years. Your unit could be sending you some red flags if you notice things like rusty or cloudy water, hot water running out quickly, or water that takes an especially long time to warm up out of the tap. Eyman is fully equipped to service both residential and commercial water heaters. Eyman offers same-day service and free estimates on all major repairs and maintenance. Call 402-731-2727 and the Big Red Truck will be on its way.